Good morning. So we're leaving this beautiful village and we're heading to the national park of Gennargentu, and that's that's on the east side of Sardinia, and it's there's a lot of cliffs and beaches, beautiful places. And we're gonna check if we can do some off-road riding. So as you can see, we're not the only ones. I'm sorry to disturb the peace, guys. Hermodr. Nice. So, as far as I know, these three people are the last to leave the beach. And what's super nice, they built a fire and they're leaving now. So I can just take their fire, build up camp, put my tent. The sun is gonna rise somewhere around there, so if I want to have a sunset looking from the tent, I have to put my tent on that side. And so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Made it! Alright! So this is the next step. Hey, I had my coffee, I had my porridge, I'm breaking up camp. The sun is already behind this mountain, this cliff, and I'm gonna see if I can get to the next beach. I can't reach it with the bike. Hermodr has to stay somewhere on the trail. The last piece is not have to hike. It's called Cala Golorezze. Should be really beautiful. with you see those pillars over there? There's like a huge one on that beach. It's a much smaller beach than this one, so I'm hoping it's less windy. It was quite windy here, even though the fire burned like hell. It was really good. But yeah, so breaking up camp, heading back to the trail. Yeah. Good. Okay, Hermodr is locked. Got everything packed. Let's go. Let's go. Let's move out. Definitely a trail I couldn't have done with Hermodr. Too steep, too many rocks. And it's nice to be hiking for a change. Beautiful rocks, bushes. Oh, check it out. That's where we're heading. Down the gorge. Down into the gorge. Wow. It's like a sunny Mordor. Sharp rocks. Alrighty then. Let's get down. Let's get down. That is quite cold. Quite cold. But the color, man. Check this color. It's insane. The color even covers the beach. And these stones are insane. It's like a marble, but it consists out of like super tiny little rocks. I guess it erodes quite quickly. Crazy little beach. Wow. It's not really allowed to camp here. Yeah, since it's off season and there's nobody here, I think I'm gonna put up a tent there, over there. Woo. Hit me, hit me, hit me. Hopefully Hermod's still there. And we're back. And Hermod's still here. Nice. Sweet. If the clouds weren't there, we could have seen the sea. I think those are the highest peaks of Sardinia. Better get my thermo underwear out because it's quite chilly. It's gonna be quite chilly tonight. Sheep are thinking, what's this guy doing here? That's what toilet paper looks like if you burn it after you've taken a crap and wiped your ass. And what do you do with those teepees? Huh? Burn them. Make sure you don't burn anything else, huh? Whoa. A great couple of cappuccinos, read a little bit of the Sapiens book. planned a new route. Let's see if we can, Hermodr and I can get to that nice riverbed I was thinking about. The weather is beautiful. Tomorrow it's gonna rain, but we'll see that tomorrow.